this is me Baba from thelevers.com, and I'm right now in Bangkok, Thailand, in one of the most famous Pad Thai restaurants. It's called Pad Thai Pratopi. Now it's called Thip Samai. Pad Thai, if you know, is actually the national dish and the most famous dish in Thailand, and it's rice. This is how it looks actually. Let's show you. You actually saw how it was being prepared. Yep. It's made of rice noodles, it's made of eggs, shrimps, fish sauce, some chilies, bamboo shoots, here are some vegetables, lot of condiments, and also it has some tofu, yeah? Tamarind paste, palm sugar, so there are a lot of ingredients. We are going to try and see how it is. A little spicy. So I can get a lot of taste. I'm getting a taste of some sweet, some little spicy, even sour. I think the red chilies make it a little spicy. The tamarind paste makes it sweet and sour, and I think it is your palm sugar which makes it sweet. So it's amazing, a lot of flavors. I think I love it, you know. This is one of my favorite dishes. So please come to Bangkok, come to Thip Samai restaurant, try the national dish of Thailand, Pad Thai, and also try their 100% orange juice. Legends. Thank you. That's it.